You need to straighten your face.
Yeah, I look like Black Jesus, don't it?
Hey, y'all. I'm here to give you guys an update on my husband's hair. I know I haven't been on here in a while, but I'm here. I'm still here. I still use Chebe, but we're just going to be focusing on his hair today, okay? So he started using Chebe in January of 2018, and so January of 2020 will be 2 years of him using Chebe. And his hair started like a normal man's haircut, and now he is like not mid-back, but like almost bra strap, but he doesn't wear a bra. So almost bra strap length. You don't know what that means, huh? So I'm gonna show you his hair once we get done talking about it. But his Chebe journey, he never used traditional Chebe powder. They do not do that.
Oh, you right. Oh, they don't.
Stop. So look, he never used the traditional Chebe powder. You know, I started with the traditional powder. He didn't jump on board until I started using like the pre-mixed stuff. And so he started with, did you use the mask?
What's the mask?
The first container I got, the green, dark green stuff.
So
he started when I started getting the butter, the Chebe butter. And he started using that butter, the same one that I still use. And then he only used it for like, what, a month? Or was it the whole 3 months? I think he used it for that whole 3 months. And then after that 3 months, he started making his own Chebe. And then he started making his own Chebe butter. And so that's what he's been doing. And his hair has still done very, very well. So I'll let him talk about his his hair.
Chebe, it's pretty nice. You know what I'm saying? I make my own little concoction. Don't ask me what's in it. It's a secret.
It is not a secret.
It is a secret. It's a secret from me.
Yeah, it's a secret because he don't know.
I should put whatever in there. Kids.
So like I said, he uses Chebe, but he's never used a traditional powder. And every single time that he makes his own Chebe mixture, it's always something different. But it typically is different nuts, fruits, seeds that the fruit that we've eaten for that time span of when he's getting ready to make it. And then all he does is kind of roast it and grind it up.
So make sure when you getting your watermelon or your mangoes or your avocado, save the seeds. Put that thing, just throw that joker in the oven, about 350. Let it sit there for a little while.
Yeah, and then he puts it in the blender. And then
but get you a good blender. Yeah, we had that blender. It ain't doing too sporty. I had clumps, like little chunks and stuff coming out my head. Yeah, that don't look nice when you trying to do something. You be sitting there talking, hey, how you doing? Oh, excuse me. Excuse me.
So yeah, his powder that he makes is not finely ground like the traditional powder. It is a little chunky because he doesn't grind it up that small. But it works. Works really good. Keeps his hair moisturized, and it has grown, so it works. I'll get him to tell you a little bit about his hair routine and what he does with his hair.
I didn't know I had no routine, but all right. So check this out. I'm assuming this is what I do. I wake up. I get me a do rag. I put a do rag around my head, right? Keep a do rag. I be wearing the bonnet. It right here, my bonnet right here, but she took it from me. But
it was initially mine. Anyway.
I be wearing my bonnet. It be a bonnet. Don't tell nobody be putting no bonnet on.
You just told him.
Don't tell nobody else. That's how you do it. Don't tell nobody
Look,
else.
So I don't want him to be long. Look, I'm talking about...
You love to cut me off.
Because you just don't be talking about nothing.
I do. They be wanting to hear this good stuff.
Look, I'm talking about the hair regimen, like routine of when you apply it, how often you apply it, how often you wash your hair. Because, you know, I don't wash my hair.
Oh, I wash my hair
like
when I feel like it. So most time that's like... I don't give it a week or two or something like that. It's just like when that mug start feeling like heavy or something, I be like, all right, let me wash it. Or let's just say I've been outside playing real hard, and I just be like, man, I'm about to wash my head. So I wash my head then, and then I put castor oil in there, the Jamaican black. I don't put that watered down castor oil. I get it from Jamaica.
So how often do you?
I put that in there almost every other day, and my hair that mug get dry. He be thirsty.
How often do you put the Chebe butter mixture in there?
Oh, that is what this video about, right? Oh, but hey, I put the mixture in there. Probably like every 2 weeks now. It's like every 2 weeks, I think. Cause like every time you redo it, and most time I keep like what is castor oil, the Jamaican black. Let me make sure
So you supposed to put it in there every week?
I put it in there every 2 weeks. But mine thicker than y'all. Mine just be made up though anyway.
So, and when he said he don't, what stink?
Mine stink. I ain't got
butter.
Yeah, I ain't got it.
Yeah, his butter. Well, the first 2 batches, I think he's made a total of 3 that I can remember. The first 2 they didn't stink. They just didn't have a smell. But this last batch that he made, it smells like Bengay. It smells like
granddad.
Yeah, I don't know what he put in. What is that? The peppermint?
Set out peppermint and I think
sage, or I don't know what he put in there.
I put in there. I forgot what.
But it smells like Bengay, so it's very Vicks Vapor Rub. It's very
old
strong.
Men probably would have loved it, boy. They've been around them old women talking about something. Look, Sherry, I got you, babe.
Look, so he said he applies it every 2 weeks. That means he doesn't apply it. That means I apply it because I'm the one who does his hair, and then he washes his hair. You do, and I told you that you need to put the butter in there instead of putting the castor oil, but he don't listen to me half the time. But he says he washes his hair when he feels like it, and when he feels like it, it's like every 2 weeks. It's on average every 2 weeks, if not every week. He'll always say like, "Oh, my hair! I need to wash my hair." So he obsesses with washing his hair.
It feels good. I don't know if y'all ever just sat in the shower and just let that water run on your head. Like, bruh, let me go and add a little oh my god.
So he washes his hair very often.
Oh Lord.
And he still gets really good results using his Chebe stuff and washing his hair every week or every 2 weeks. And like I said, he still gets really, really good growth. And like I told you, his hair started out as like a typical man's low cut haircut, and now it is like on his back. It's like about here on his back.
I don't think it's that long.
I took a picture and we're gonna show them right now.
Okay.
Anyway, I took a picture though.
I don't know. I just see the front of my head.
Jesus. Okay. So his mixture, he told you the mixture already. He is basically anything that we eat. So avocado, mango, watermelon,
cherries.
Yeah, definitely cherries.
Cherries.
I think we've done grape before. A few grape. No.
Nah, I ain't put no grapes in there. The seeds so small.
It's definitely a lot of avocado in there. A lot of avocado seeds, and it was a lot of cherry seeds during the summer when we were buying cherries a lot. Definitely a lot of mango seeds. And what else do you put in it? I know you put peppermint oil.
Peppermint, lavender. That might have been what made it stink last time.
Mixing them together?
I probably had too much in there. Probably too much for one.
Yeah, so he doesn't measure. He doesn't measure anything at all. It's all by eye.
That's how black folks do it. You know what I'm talking about? That's that ancestry.
Oh my gosh.
So
this is just to show you that you don't have to use like the traditional powder to get some good results. You basically just have to have something that works for your hair that's going to keep it moisturized. And when he mixes all of his seeds or whatever he puts in there, and like he said, he put peppermint and lavender. Is that the only 2?
That I can think of. I might have put some eucalyptus and...
He puts it in shea butter. Is that the only one you use, right? So he mixes it in shea butter.
I thought we was going to whole recipe at the end.
Yeah, but I asked about butter, not oil.
That's stuff too.
So yeah, his last batch didn't turn out that great. It's hard. It's like it'll get like hard to kind of scoop. It doesn't kind of melt in your hand. when you just try to get it out of the container. But yeah, so we'll show you his hair. I'll insert some pictures of what it looked like when he first started and where he is now. He is over 1.5 years, because in January we'll make 2 years. And we'll show you his hair. So if you will turn around, unless you have something else to add.
Nah, I'm good. Alright, what we turning to? Hey, that
He
was
has,
short though, don't it?
yeah, his hair does shrink a lot, but it's pretty long actually. So you want to turn? Are you gonna do?
Which way I'm gonna turn? Because if I stand up, I'm gonna be out.
If you just turn, he always so difficult. Okay. So this is his and his hair is plaited, is braided, and he just actually washed it in the braids on last night. So, and this has been up for how long?
No, I don't know. You have to tell me.
So I'm trying to get the little, it's kind of like balled up on itself at the bottom. So I'm just trying to undo that part.
It sounds like a cooking recipe. What you saying?
What?
I'm trying to undo this right here. It's balled up.
It is. It's like the ends are knotted up on itself.
You like how? Oh, y'all need to use some flaxseed gel.
Yeah, we normally put flaxseed gel on the ends, but I don't think I did it the last time because we didn't have any made. I can't unball that one. All of them are balled up on each other. Maybe this one will act right.
They say they ain't bothering no bad.
Who?
My hair?
It is gonna need it. Well, I'm not taking it down then. I don't know how long has it been up there, like 2 weeks?
Maybe 3. I don't know. Okay. I think they do what they do.
I don't know. This one is not all the way unballed, but it's gonna work. It's gonna have to do. Alright. And this one is not even the bottom of his head. This one, this braid right here, right in this area where my finger is, will be the nape of his neck. This is like up higher, if that makes sense. So I'm pulling that braid from here, and then this is his bottom row down here. Okay. So I hope you guys can see. Is your head straight?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
It feels straight.
So his hair is here now. Okay. Where my thumb is, can you turn a little bit? Alright, and then if I pull directly from the bottom, if I can get this one out. And again, it's braided up, so it may be like a tad bit longer than what it is now. But that's what his hair is now. So I think that's really good for it to be 1.5 years, and he started out with hair right there. Y'all enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful in some kind of way, just to know that you don't have to order Chebe. You can make it in your house and you can still get some good results.
You can really make it. So
we will see you guys next time, and I will update you guys on my hair soon.
Cause she probably gonna let me be back in another video for a while. I just go on. Hey, let me talk to y'all personally.
Well, you need to get on channel. I had you a day or something.
I'm on your channel. Hey, look, y'all. Hey, if y'all got something for a beard, I know y'all ladies be, hey, fella, what's going on? Well, I'm sorry, y'all. I had to cut this short because man's up.
Talk to y'all later.